Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Ainslie Bullion product spotlight. You've got Mel with you today. We're taking a look at the 1 ounce American Silver Eagle Type 2. Now, the American Silver Eagle is known as the United States Mint's official silver coin. Australia has its kangaroo coin, the states have their eagle. So every government mint has its own official coin, and these coins are by far the most popular 1 ounce coin globally. So a little background on these coins. While the minting history of the Silver Eagle technically begins in 1986, the design dates all the way back to 1916. The Type 1 American Silver Eagle coin was minted up until this Type 2 coin was introduced in 2021. American Silver Eagle coins contain 1 troy ounce of 99.9% silver bullion, and the front side includes a depiction of Lady Liberty walking into a setting sun, with the reverse depicting a version of the American bald eagle. The most significant change in the Type 2 American Silver Eagle happens on the reverse side. While this revised design still includes the classic depiction of the American bald eagle, the Type 2 features the eagle in motion. Now, the eagle flies forward, landing on a branch with its wings fully extended. The design also reaches the borders of the coin, meaning that its left wing extends all the way to the end of the coin. See, the security-oriented changes from the Type 1 to the Type 2 are also worth considering. Any investor who has been around the bullion community for years should know the importance of avoiding counterfeit coins. The 2021 American Silver Eagle Type 2 includes a single missing reed underneath the second 2 in 2021. This change provides relatively significant protection against counterfeits, and it also makes it quite a bit easier for cautious investors to ensure that their new Silver Eagle is legit. Additionally, the increased detail on both sides of the American Silver Eagle Type 2 means that counterfeiters will struggle to make a convincing fake copy. Now, if you are interested in purchasing an American Silver Eagle coin, feel free to jump over to the Ainslie Bullion website. You can order them there, over the phone, or come into one of our Brisbane or Melbourne offices. We do have plenty of these coins in stock at the moment, and later this week we'll also be looking at another international silver coin for our Special of the Week video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and as always, balance your wealth in an unbalanced world.